What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We are here right now in the Fox Hills Culver City Mall about to check out some more shoes. Hopefully having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Make sure you smash that like button, share the video so more people in the world can see your boy Bossco, and of course subscribe to the channel if you are new. Don't forget to hit that post notification so you can be updated on every single video your boy Bossco drops. Let's go on over here to Champs and see what they got, you dig? So as you see inside Champs, they got a great selection of Kyrie's, PG2s, LeBron's, Kobe's. They got these new ones that just dropped today. Let me know what you guys think out of these three Kyrie lows. Which one is your favorite colorway? We got the black and white colorway, the white colorway, and then this new colorway. Just dropped like yesterday, I think it was. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. We might have to get these a little closer up in the arm feet of these, but let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. This colorway to me, I think is the best one so far out of the Kyrie lows. I was about to call it the Kyrie 4 lows, but it's just the Kyrie lows. The bottoms are sick, Nike zoom action on both sides. Tell me what you guys think about these, man. I like that black strap, the black Nike check. This is not bad, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Are these a cop or pass? What is your favorite colorway of the Kyrie lows out of the 110 price point? Very dope, man. Like I said, they got the black ones here too. These ones are fire. I like the strap on these. I like the black and white. Can go with a lot more, can match a lot more things. But for some reason, man, these yellow ones are just popping out to me. And you guys know white shoes are dope. They got a gum bottom, but I'm not too fan of white shoes. They're too hard to keep clean in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think. You guys going with the white colorway, the black colorway, or the yellow colorway? Let me know in the comment section below. So like I was saying, they have some PG2s on sale, the Platinums for $89 as opposed to $110. You can get the Mamba Mentalities for 89 bucks. That's a steal because you know these are $110. This was a rare colorway, but I like them a lot. A lot of people do like those shoes. They got the Venuses for $89, the Obsidians for $89, Kyrie 3s. The black and white colorway. Let me know what y'all think about this. 79 bucks. And you know, you guys get, if you guys have a Champs Sports application, you know, you guys might be able to get it for cheaper if you guys have any discounts available for you. Then they have this yellow colorway for the PGs. We've seen this before, but let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. Fire or not, so far to me, the best colorway of the PG 2.5s, just like the yellow Kyrie's is the best of the Kyrie lows. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys agree or not? You know, man, out of the two colorways, out of the two shoe models rather, which yellow colorway do you like better? Do you guys like the PG 2.5? That strap is pretty cool. The black, I like that chrome Nike check on the heel of the shoe, the little 3M on the pull tab. Very cool accents. 3M Nike check on the inside there. This is a very dope shoe. I like it. It's also a 110 price point. So for 110, if you guys had 110 plus tax to get one pair of shoe, would you guys go with these PG 2.5? Or would you guys go with these Kyrie lows? I'm telling you, man, for some reason to me, this shoe is really popping. It's not looking like a Bumblebee. It's not looking like a Steelers shoe. It's looking like a dope yellow and black shoe. But let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section, of course, out of these two models that come out in the yellow colorway. I forgot this colorway, what the name of it is, but which one do you guys like better? Pretty dope. Now we've seen these three colorways. Out of the three, which one do you guys like the best? I know a lot of people are gonna like that red one just like me, but out of these three, which one do you guys find is the best one? This colorway is not bad, pretty simple. I think it's like the original colorway, followed by the black and gray colorway, but my favorite out of the three has to be the red. Red is my favorite color. But what is yours? Did you guys like that colorway the most or not? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, make sure you smash the like button, you dig? This Champs Sports also has a really good female section for the women. If you guys see anything here in the comment section that you like for yourself or for your girl, let me know in the comment section. Look at these Reeboks, just came out not too long ago. What do you guys think about these? Whole lot of things going on the tag there. Concept sample, I don't know what that's about. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Only $85. We got these Filas. I've been seeing more and more girls with this style of Fila. What do you guys think about these? The pink colorway. I've been seeing more females rock this colorway, one of these two. but I guess this is one of the more newer ones, so let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section too. Ultra Boost Huaraches, what are these? I'm not sure if I've seen these before. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. It's got the Nike Just Do It, some Nike free runs for the ladies, $100 price point. Got the Nike Zoom Pegasus over here, some Ultra Boost Parlays over here. This colorway's not bad, $180 price point. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section and point out anything that you see here that you do like for the ladies. I like these. This is kind of different. These Just Do It Air Max TNs right here, not bad for the women. $160 price point. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are these a copper pass or not? I didn't even know they had these here. Pretty dope though, right? $160 price point, not bad. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. And then they also have what? These ones, some other type of Just Do It ones. Wow, that's different. Have not seen these before. Ladies, what do you guys think about these? Who is this? Okay. Okay, Brittany. Not looking bad right there. I like that. What do you guys think about these Just Do It? It's like a satin. Not too bad, bruh. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section because I need to know. I like the Just Do It tagging on the side. I wish they had something on the inside of the shoe, but it's still pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these. Not sure about these, but I had to pick them up because they're different. Is this something that girls would rock or not? Let me know, please, in the comment section. Are these a copper pass, ladies? I need to know. I need to know. Got some satins right there. Got these Just Do It's in the white and orange colorway for females. These are women's sizes. What do you guys think about these Vapor Max Pluses? These are not bad. Not bad at all. Vapor Max Plus, $190. Maroon colorway for the ladies. I need the feedback. I want to know, what are you guys liking? You guys like any of that? And that's it right now for the ladies side. Oh, look at these. Look at these Dan Marinos in a Dan Marino colorway, like the Miami Dolphin colorway. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Are these a copper drop? I didn't even know they had this fourth colorway. Now that makes it a little bit more different. I think the red one's still my favorite color. What do you guys think? That's the whole point. What do you guys think? $140 price point for those. Here's some of their Jordan section. A lot of good Jordans. You got the Cement 10s, which really look dope. The Westbrook 10s, the Shadow 10s. Out of the 10s right here, which one do you guys like the most? I think I might like these Cement better, bro. Because in person, if you have not seen these Cements in person, you have to check them out. They're fire, bro. The quality on them is nice. The colorway is dope. Pictures do not do this shoe justice. That's why I would say you need to see these in person, and I think that's my favorite colorway out of the 3 10s right here. But let me know your idea. What do you guys think about those, or any Jordans you guys see here? You got the He Got Games, man. You never can go wrong with these. Original colorway, just like the movie. Tell me your thoughts and opinions on those. And you got the Last Shots right here, the 14s. Still dope. I like the quality on these. I think these are still sitting for a reason, because only there's so many other shoes that are coming out. And then you have the CP312s. What do y'all think about these in the comment section? These just came out last weekend, so let me know what y'all think. If you guys like these, are these a copper drop? The Champs inside the Fox Hills Mall still have some on deck. If you guys are looking for a size, you guys might want to come out here and check them out. But this shoe is dope. The quality on it is really nice. It reminds me a lot of the PSNYs, but just a little bit different, like how they had like that satin material right there. It's pretty dope, man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section as well. Were these a copper pass? These just dropped like yesterday, I believe. So let me know if you guys cop these or not. Let me know in the comment section. They got a lot of Huaraches here too, and some of them are on sale. If you guys see any colorways you guys like, these model $99 right here, $79 for this Huarache. If you guys are a fan of Huaraches, Champ Sports, I'm sure in the Fox Hills Mall, but maybe the other malls might have the same steals and deals at their Champs. I like this colorway. This is pretty hard. It's like a navy blue with like a royal blue in there. Pretty dope. $99 price point. Let me know what y'all think about that. Got these ones, got like the Miami color ones, triple black colorway for 99 bucks. Very good still. Then they have these camo ones right here, which I have not seen. These camo ones, are these cops are pass to me. I think they're a pass for me. 110 price point, still pretty cool looking, and the price is not bad, but I'm not too much of a fan of the camo, but I know there are a lot of people out there who like camo. So let me know your true thoughts and opinions on these Huarache camo editions. And then you already know what I feel about these Huarache Just Do It. These are fire, bruh. Super fire. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you guys try to go after these or not? Let me know what's up, man. Huaraches are fire. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Have not seen these before, but first look, I'm telling you, I like them, bruh. Nike Safari, huh? 110. Got that elephant print on there. What do y'all think about these? Look almost like the Air Max 1s, I believe. Very, very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Are these a copper pass or not? I like these too. This colorway right here is pretty fire, bruh. The color combination that they put together on this makes the shoe look dope and it pops. $110 price point, bro. You can't go wrong with that. In the comment section, out of these two shoes, which one do you like more?